In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily create columns in Canva. Whether you're designing a poster, a flyer, or perhaps a more complex infographic, knowing how to create columns can help organize your content effectively and elegantly. Let's dive in with some simple steps that you can follow along with. First up, you'll want to have your Canva interface open and ready to go. Once you're there, direct your attention to your keyboard and press the slash icon. Now, this might seem like a simple action, but it actually brings up a very useful feature in Canva, the command search tool. This tool serves as a quick navigation aid through the multitude of options and elements Canva has to offer, saving you much time and making your workflow more efficient. With this powerful command search tool open, what you want to do next is type in table. At this point, you might wonder why a table is necessary if we're just focusing on creating columns. Well, the answer lies in the flexibility it provides. Tables in Canva offer a structured grid format that lets you divide your content into neat rows and columns, which is an important foundation for more customized column designs. After typing in table, you'll see a variety of options appearing on your screen. What you're looking for is the option that says to column. Go ahead and give it a click. This action instantly brings up a basic structure perfect for a straightforward two-column layout. Starting with two columns is often the most versatile choice. It's great for side-by-side comparisons, text and image pairings, or even dual content sections, which can be quite handy in a range of design scenarios. As you select your two-column table, keep in mind that Canva allows you to modify the dimensions and sizes of your columns. Click and drag to adjust the width to your liking based on the needs of your specific design. This customization feature ensures that your columns look just right, providing the appropriate balance, whether you need more room for text or want to feature larger images. Additionally, consider the spacing and background colors of your columns. Canva offers a range of customization options, so feel free to experiment with colors and spacing to align the design with your theme or branding. This not only adds a professional touch, but also ensures that your columns are visually engaging. And there you have it. In just a few quick steps, using a keyboard shortcut, typing table, and selecting a two-column option, you've learned how to create columns in Canva effortlessly. Remember, columns can be a powerful tool to organize and enhance your designs, so don't hesitate to experiment and find what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you feel more equipped to handle your next Canva project.